What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It's on now. So we're gonna weld and then we're gonna street tune this car right here. So this is what we got going on. Basically we have one little leak on the exhaust, which I told Jose to cover the valve covers. It's gonna get splattered all over them, but so we got some cracks right there. I don't know if you can see them. So right now we let the car heat up and he's welding it up, keep the leak down. But it cracked because one's cast and one's stainless. So the cast is, we had to torch it and weld it together, and we didn't have a torch, so we just welded it and it cracked. So now we use the car to heat it up so we can actually weld the two together. Yeah, so some dookie welds by Jose, but they'll fucking hold. You can see the heat transferred, so that's all that matters. Now we'll get a street tune this thing here, and we'll go. Yeah, bro, we're going to Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico, bro. So y'all stay tuned.
Recording. I was just holding the camera like a dummy.
The whole time?
The whole time. I swear to God, I pushed record.
Welcome back. So we did do a tune. We still have minor tweaks we gotta do, but we pretty much got it running really good now. It idles good and it drives really good. We did do a couple boost runs. I'm not sure if I got video of it, so I'll probably have to get video later, but let me show y'all how it sounds right now. Anyways, that shit sounds mean as fuck. Y'all probably can't hear me because it's loud, but that sounds good. It idles pretty good. I think it's running a little lean, but we still have to fine tune it. But that's pretty much the setup. We got LS coil packs here. Some 1000cc injectors, 5.0 injectors, stock fuel rail, 3076 turbo. We're running a K8 power steering pump, a Nissan Quest alternator, just a regular RB throttle body, and we got a conversion to this intake actually runs a Q45, so we had to get an adapter to run the RB. But we use the RB throttle body because it makes it more responsive versus the Q45. Q45 supposedly takes away from the throttle response. As you can tell, it responds quick. Definitely running pretty good. Don't mind the fenders and the mess. We still got to clean up all the wiring and stuff, as you can tell. But we got it running, so that's our #1 priority.